Hello everyone, how are you? How's going on with you? And wait. If you are not ready to work hard in 2021, don't watch this video. Go sleep, eat, whatever, but this video is not for you. This video is for the people that are hungry for success. And now let's back to our video. Tell me how you've been since the beginning of the year. Is everything good? And today we're gonna talk about 3 things you have to do it in 2021 in order to get success. First one, stop looking for regular office job. If you have one, it's okay. If you already got one, that's fine. But why I'm telling you stop looking for this kind of job? Because in case the countries shut down again, you will back to home without job. Even the countries if not shut down again, in the coming years, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, all the office job, it's gonna disappear. All the office job is not gonna be available for anyone because right now everything going to be inside the home. Yeah, every work going to be inside the home. Even the big companies right now, Facebook, Google, YouTube, everyone working in home. Yeah, there's a lot of jobs online right now. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are a teacher. You can go right now and teach people from your home. You can work for some school online, or you can do this job by yourself, teaching people around the country, not just in your city. Or you can sell product online. There's a lot of company that want worker. If not, you can start your small business. Why not? You can start some products, and by time you can take your business to the next level. Or if you want, you can work as an editor online. If you have any experience, that's fine. If not, you can have this experience online from YouTube, and you can start work immediately, like editing videos, pictures for company by yourself. It's a good job too. And I'm here just giving examples. I'm not talking 100% what you have to go and do. So that was number 1. Stop looking for regular office job. And number 2 is working hard. Is that exactly right time to work hard right now? It's really worse to work hard right now. And why I'm saying working hard? Working hard because right now the amount of people that already working, it's not that much. Because of the pandemic, the quarantine, all of that, people doesn't find job easily and people get lazy more and more. So right now you have the chance to show up more. The highlight could be in you more and more. So this is a good chance for you. Work hard, but work hard for your dream. So in morning, the first part of your day, you can work whatever job you're looking for right now. Let's say 6 hours, 8 hours, but the second part of your day, this is your dream. This is what you will work so hard for it. I said work hard because it's gonna be kind of hard. It's not gonna be easy to have the first part of your day, morning, working, and then back from work, follow your dream, working for your dream. That's gonna be not easy, but not so hard. In the first part of your day, you're going work for money, and the second part of your day, you're going work for your faith. So number 2 is work hard. It's the right time. Go work hard. And now number 3. Number 3, I think, is the most important. It's create new good habits. I don't know why people don't care about that, don't give a shit for that, but you are result of the most 10 habits you have in your life. How you can miss that? You are the result of your habits, and you spend your day without focusing on what you're doing, your good habits, your bad habits. Easily I can know you from your habits. Let's have an example here. Let's say you are addicted to sugar. If you are addicted to sugar, I can know that is or you have health issues or you are fat. Let's have another example. Let's say you sleep in midnight every day. So I can know from that you wake up so late, you have a bad mood in the morning. That's what I'm talking about. Your habits, it's you. The result of your habits, it's you. So start care more. Start give more time to create these good habits. Yeah, it's really important. And you know what? Let me put story in Instagram asking people what they have a bad habits. In the next video, maybe we can talk about your bad habits too. 1 second. Hello everyone, I'm filming the second video now and I'm talking about the bad habits. Tell me if you have any bad habits and we're gonna talk about it in the next video maybe. So yeah. If you have any bad habits, go in Instagram, send me what you have and maybe we're gonna talk about this in the next video. And right now, I think this is everything. Remember, first one, stop looking for a regular office job because it's gonna stop one day. Second, work hard. It's the right time to work hard now. You can show up easily than before. Number three, and the most important is create good habits. So however good habits you create, however good personality you create, at the same time, you will be closer to your dream or to the success you dream of. And I think that's it for today. Leave in the comments if you have any idea, if you have really bad habits and you can't control it, maybe we can talk about it in the next video. Right now, go, enjoy your time, have a good day, and